Hey guys, Puffy Kitty here, and today, doing something a little bit different. It involves a toy though, so not that different, but we're gonna be fixing this thing, which I gave too much love to. Here are marker choices, lots of them. So, this thing, is gonna be getting a makeover, basically. Makeup, everything. The ears are chipped off. The mouth is it just ruins it. He has one eyeball. Wow. There's a hole in his ear as well. Oh no, I didn't even notice that. This is gonna be interesting. This is also a squishy. There's a bubble, and there's a normal buddy and a normal day, and then you see this. Let's get to it. I'm ready. I'm gonna grab black. We're also gonna do some designs at the end, like some hearts, some squiggles, or whatever. So I'm gonna start here. I'll show you what I did after. I'm gonna doing that. Okay, smooth it out. There we go. You might not notice it, but I actually did some on the eye. Perfect. Oh my god, that eye is bigger. I gotta fix that then. Okay. Go. Oh no. Oh. There we go. There he is. I made his eyes a little bit bigger. Okay. I'm gonna fix the mouth now. Oh my god. I really get focused when I'm doing art. That's why I was so quiet for like 2 seconds or 5 or 10 or whatever. We're gonna have to clean this guy on the back and the sides, and we got a wet wipe. Yep, I'm gonna start wiping carefully around the eyes that I just worked. I should have done the wiping first. What kind of human being would do that? That's weird to say. I don't know. I'm gonna say blah 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 for the rest of the video. Blah blah blah. I'm not actually good at. Look at our buddy. His ear is floppy. Oh my god. He's so dirty. We might have to dip him in a tub of water. Keep doing this, I guess. I can barely see the words on the back now. Oh no, don't fall on your face, please. It would hurt. Trust me. Oh no, his back is black. A black back. That rhymes. This is really dirty. This is so weird. This is so weird. You have no idea what I'm thinking about right now. I think we're done cleaning for now. Yeah. I'm gonna start fixing the ears now. This is gonna be hard with this purpley pink. I mess up a lot. Go. We are making this happen. Oh yeah. I always have music inside my head. I'm going to talk about whatever while I'm doing this. Maybe I'll talk about my day. No, I'm actually going to talk about my day. Okay, first, I had breakfast. Obviously. Because who doesn't have breakfast in the morning? Does that fix things? Nope. Needs more. It needs a thicker layer of pink. I'm gonna chip this off. Oh my god, it's a pink mess. What did I... This is a fail, isn't it? Oh my god. 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 His ear. You know, I'm just gonna paint it all pink. Who cares? Do you? Jeez, I'm gonna need this wet wipe again. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Use the tip. Wipe, wipe. First I had breakfast and then, okay, resuming to morning routine. I guess, so, you have no idea what I'm saying. Obviously. Oh. I'm thinking about crazy things right now. Cats in space with food and, oh my god, my calendar. You have to see my calendar. You have to. It's crazy. It is March right now. It is like March 2nd. Oh my god. I'm excited. I'm thinking about cake. I am thinking about cake. Guess what I'm thinking? What was that shaky sound, that maraca sound? That was creepy. I heard it again. I heard a squeak. Turn off, imagination. Turn off, please. Why is this so messed up? Do 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 do. I'm gonna grab this paint. Do do do. Do 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 do. Well, if you guys have you seen the new Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse movie yet, or Lego Movie 2? Oh, the Lego Movie 2 was ridiculous. There was this song. I'm not gonna spoil it for you though. This song. Okay, I'll just tell you what it's called. How about? Maybe give you a touch of it. Teeny weeny smooch. If you watch it, then I'm probably not spoiling it for you, but. Oh my god. This is such a cool little bunny. I guess we should give it some cheeks. Cheeks. Cheeky, 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 little cheeky. This is cute. I think we're gonna do some designs and then we're gonna wrap this up and we're gonna have a little bit of friends coming in. Are you ready, Sparkle? Are you ready, Mrs. Stubby? Mrs. Stubby is a cheese curd. If you don't know what a cheese curd is, it's super funny. Oh. And Sparkles is like a fox light up thing. This is so cute. I'm going to do some designs. I'm going to... this is so cute. Maybe a little... That's good. This is turning out cute. I just did a little squiggle right there. I'm going to do heart next. I'm going to put it here. Bottom where the words are. Where the wild things are. Did I just whistle? I think I just whistled. That was loud. Jeez. I don't know how to whistle. I don't know how I did that. I'm upset because I wish I knew how I did that so I could whistle again. I have so much to talk about. I'm not going to do what I'm just going to say. I have nothing in mind. I'm out of talkative business. Dead. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just drew whatever that is. Whatever that is. This looks little buddy. How do you feel? I feel less ugly. Pretty fox. And the cheese curd I mentioned? Mrs. Stubby? She actually looks pretty cool when she tries to dance. Do the squatch, the splitch. Yeah. She's good at the splits. Alright, this looks a little blank, but we're gonna forget about that. I'm going to add some more squiggles to this. Maybe this one will work. He looks awesome. Oh yeah, he looks awesome. Oh yeah. Look at Mr. Body hopping down the road. Like a bunny. And look, he's glowing with pride. Okay. That was probably the randomest video ever. Okay, first, you didn't know what I was going to do. You thought I was going to do unboxing again. We actually did an art video. I'm happy. I'm so happy we did an art video instead of an unboxing video. Again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you sit here, please, Mr. Bun Bun? Thank you. I am random. That's why I do these competitions. Who could be the randomest? Well, I'm going to show you the finishing touch right now. Okay, here. Okay, here. And here. And then back to the face. And I kind of messed up with the ears here. Okay. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.